So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a felted donkey and using a wire frame as a basis. So here is a donkey I've already made. So I'm going to be making a smaller donkey to go with this donkey. So you can see the wire frame means that you can bend the legs in different directions on this donkey. So I start off by getting some normal pipe cleaners and I want to just bend the pipe cleaner into the body shape. So you can see I've just bent the top for the head, then put another bend in for the neck, and then the body I'm just bending that bit now. And as you can see, the bit on the end is for the tail. So what you can see that I've already done is I've got another pipe cleaner and I've wrapped it round the front half of the body to make the two front legs. So now I'm just going to do this for the two back legs, and I will demonstrate how to do this. So if you just get your pipe cleaner and then you just wrap it round, and then you want to work out how long you want the legs of your donkey to be. So once you've done this, you can cut the pipe cleaner to the correct length, and if you want to, you can also bend over the ends of the pipe cleaners for the legs, just to make sure there's no sharp bits sticking out. So here you can see the finished wire frame for the donkey, and you can also make these wire frames with like normal wire if you want to, like special craft wire, but I find it's a lot easier with the pipe cleaners because they have that fuzzy outer fluff on them. It means that the wool can stick to the pipe cleaners better when you're felting, and so I just find it a lot more easier to use pipe cleaners. So next what we're going to do is you need to get some core wool, and this is going to be used to felt the body over the wire frame for the donkey. So I just use a basic white core wool, and I'm just going to start wrapping it round and then felting it in place. So I'm going to cover the head of the donkey and the neck and just the body, but I'm going to leave the tail sticking out and the forelegs sticking out, and I'm not going to cover those. So I'm just going to do this. So you will end up hopefully with something looking like this, and you can see the body, the neck and the head of the donkey. So the next stage in this is you want to build up the shape of the donkey more, and you can do this just by adding some more core wool round the body, the main abdomen part. So this is just, helping to give it more structure and shape. So as you can see, I'm going to do this on both sides. So now this is done, you can see it's looking a bit more like a donkey shape, and I'm now just going to coat this donkey in the grey wool. So this is now going to go over the top of the white wool, and you want this layer to be quite thin, but so that you can't see any white underneath. So what I have done is I have left the muzzle white because I'm going to be putting another colour on this muzzle. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to wrap the grey wool around the legs, and this is just going to give them their colour. But what I'm going to do is for the very bottom part of the leg, I will felt black wool around this instead of the grey, and this just makes the hooves. So what you also want to do is to felt the grey wool around the pipe cleaner sticking out on the rear of the donkey for the tail, and you can also put some black around the end of this. So now you want to get a strip of black wool and felt down the midline of the donkey, and this just is giving it more detail, giving it that short mane that they have. And you can also put a cross of black wool at the top end of the body nearest the head as well, and you'll be able to see this once I've done this. It might make a little bit more sense. So after you've done this, you want to felt light grey wool on the muzzle, as you can see that I've done, and also underneath the abdomen as well. And then following this, you can just felt on 2 black dots for the nose, and you also want to do a mouth as well in black for the donkey. Following on from this, you also want to use the grey wool to felt 2 patches on the face of the donkey, because this is going to be where the eyes are going to go. So my donkey is just lying there. It is looking a bit fluffy, but we can sort this out at the end. Now we're going to make the ears. So you want a small bit of dark grey wool, and you just need to felt this into an ear shape, and you're going to make 2 of these. Once you've done this, you need to get your light grey wool and felt a smaller patch of light grey on top of the dark grey, and this just makes the inside of the ear. And then when you've done this, you can felt these 2 ears on the top of the head of the donkey, and you can either felt some little black eyes on or sew the eyes on, as you can see I have done here. And you also can trim the excess fluff sticking off of the donkey with some scissors. As you can see, the donkey looks a lot more neater now than it did earlier. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about felting in general or making a wireframe, please just leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be making more videos soon.